Hello everybody, this is Dr. G.P. Sudhakar, Professor of Management from India. Right, so in this specific video, I would like to specify or describe some of the conceptual models for doing management research. Example conceptual models. Right, so in this specific video, I will be explaining you example conceptual models. Example conceptual models for doing management research. For doing management research, right? Example conceptual models, right? See, we know this, right? We do management research in different business functions. Business functions, for example, human resources management, strategic management, project management, entrepreneurship, finance, operations, different areas of management. We will be doing management research, right? So, for example, you have chosen an area of human resources management to do your PhD research, or you want to write a paper in specific HR management area, right? Human resources management. Then, what could be the conceptual models? Ever possible conceptual models in human resources management? Human resources management conceptual models. See, basically, what is the conceptual model? Conceptual model describes relationship between independent variables and the dependent variables. It consists of different variables and their relationships. There will be dependent variable, there are independent variables, right? So put together these independent and dependent variables put together, we call it as a model. We call it as a model, conceptual model or a structural model, right? So, with respect to human resources management, what all conceptual models will come? For example, recruitment process model, recruitment recruitment process model, hmm, performance management model, performance management model, training effectiveness measurement model, training effectiveness measurement model, the popular people capability maturity model. PCMM is here, right? People capability maturity model. These are a model, right? Similarly, team performance team performance model, team performance model. You know, these are some of the models possible in human resources management. If you take each one has different dependent variables and dependent independent variables. Different factors are involved in each process model, in each model, right? So, similar team performance model. What are the other models in human resource management? Hmm? No, individual performance model. Also, you can have individual performance model, or team productive team, or team performance model. Team performance model. We have written, right. Productivity also can be part of it. Productivity. So, like this, different models are there in human resources management area, right? Next, let's go to strategic management area. Strategy strategy What could be the different conceptual models possible in strategic management area? Competition, a competition model. It can be, right. BSC, balanced scorecard model, MBO model, management by objectives model, you know, uh, organizational performance measurement model, organizational performance measurement model, organizational maturity model. We can have it right now. We have project management maturity model. Similarly, we can have organizational maturity model. Organizational maturity model. When we talk about the strategy, all these conceptual models will come, right? What are the other conceptual models in strategic management? Hmm? Strategy implementation model. You can have separate strategy implementation model. Strategy implementation model. Hmm? Competitive advantage. You can try a model. Competitive advantage. How do you gain a competitive advantage for an organization? What factors are impacting competitive advantage? You can try a model. So like this, you can different conceptual models are possible in strategic management. Right. Now let us discuss what is possible in project management. What are the different models, conceptual models in project management area? Project management area. Huh? One is project effectiveness model. Project effectiveness model. Project effectiveness model. Similarly, project management maturity model. Hmm? Similarly, project manager type and project success. This can be one model, right? Project manager type and project success. Similarly, project manager and project type fitment. Project type fitment. Project success model. Project success model. Different models are there, right? With respect to project management. With respect to project management. Okay. Right. So like this, you can have different models with respect to project management. Right. So next come to so far what is that we discussed? We have seen some of the conceptual models in human resources management. We have seen some of the conceptual models in strategic management. We have seen some of the conceptual models in project management. Right. Now let's go come here and see what are the conceptual models in finance. Financial management, what could be the conceptual models? What could be the conceptual models? What are the conceptual models in finance? you know Portfolio management model. One can be portfolio management model, right? Portfolio management model. Portfolio management model. Huh? Or investment model. Investment model. What is the investment model organization is having? Capital budgeting model. What is the capital budgeting model? Capital budgeting model. Similarly, capital structuring model. cost management model, you know, cost management model. Similarly, shareholder management model also you can have. Shareholder management model, you can have it. Shareholder management model, you know, like that. Capital budgeting, for example, take like this. You can have different conceptual models with respect to financial management. Right. Now let's move on and see what are the conceptual models with respect to operations management. Operations area. Operations. Operational effectiveness model. Operational effectiveness model. Operational effectiveness model. Similarly, operational success model. Operational success model. Operational performance model. Operational performance model. Similarly, operational excellence model. No, we have it, right? We have it. Operational excellence model. No, so many will come with respect to conceptual models in operations management. Customer satisfaction model. Customer satisfaction model. Hmm? Supply chain. Supply chain management model. Supply chain management model. EOQ. Economic order quantity. EOQ model. Economic order quantity. EOQ model. Like this, different models will come in operations management. For example, if you come back to strategy, further can be business model. Important, right? Business model. What is the e-business model? E-business model. E-business model. Like this, different conceptual models are possible in management research. All these things will be useful for you in doing research in different areas. Each one can become, for example, if you take one model, it will become a PhD topic or management research paper input. Right. You can do business model, e-business model. You can do PhD or operational success model. And different portfolio management model. Different areas are there. Right. Each one become one of the major research area, different conceptual models. So far, what is it we discussed? We have seen what are the different models in HRM, conceptual models in human resources management area, strategic management area we have seen, project management area we have seen, finance we have seen, and operations we have seen. Right. So like that you can have it in here. You can have it in other areas. IT management models also there are there. Entrepreneurship management models are also there. Right. So different areas of management we can have conceptual models. We can have conceptual models, right? So these models can be used in research paper or or for doing PhD purpose, right? So kindly focus couple of minutes and see whether you will be able to see these models, right? So I think I'm done for this specific video, right? Thank you.